I want to read an email that I received. It was from a couple, an elderly couple, who live in Western New York. And it was about the proposed Power Authority increase. This is what they had to say. Thank you, George, for persevering against the proposal of the Power Authority to raise rates. This proposal upset many of us VFI seniors, very fixed income seniors. George, my husband and I plan on how to cut down washing our clothes. We only use a few lights. And listen to this. Listen to this, my colleagues, and listen to this to the people that are watching today. We actually plan on not opening the refrigerator unless it's absolutely necessary in order to conserve energy. I'm serious when I say this, George. We cannot afford one more nickel in taxes, not one more penny in increase in our utilities, not one. George, we've given up many things. We're old now. We thought in our later years that we would enjoy our retirement and our life. But it's sad. As we worked hard all of our lives in the hope of getting it easier one day, but instead it's becoming harder and more expensive. We can't do it anymore, George.